I'm very, very passionate about leadership development, helping people see value in their lives, wanting to see value in other people. When I came to Kinsley, I saw that. Hi, my name is Jayon Folks. I'm the Manager of Employee Training at the Kinsley Training and Development Center.
I'm Will Verbjar. I'm one of the instructors at Kinsley Construction. At the Kinsley Training and Development Center, we provide OSHA 10, OSHA 30, MSHA, First Aid CPR, signal and rigging, and ATSA training.
What makes it engaging is that it's personal life, it's real life. This isn't a test run. You know, you're getting this training for a reason, and we try to engage real life stories. We all have personal experience from our background.
One of the main goals of Kinsley Construction has always been to build the people from within, build that safety culture, build that continuous aspect of growth within the company, and that's one of the things where Kinsley Construction truly excels.
Kinsley's roots, construction done right, right by our people, right by our roots, right by you. That says it all. Kinsley's have done an amazing job cultivating this family environment, cultivating this safe environment, and they've really gone above and beyond what you see in the industry.
Being part of this amazing instructional team, a personal benefactor for me is getting to see situations where people may have done a job a different way, and when we go through the education process and them having that light go off in their head, simply saying that, you know what, that former job that I had put me in an unsafe situation.
Every aspect of the training, every topic, everything, all of the discussion leads to the climax of, why am I here?
It's because of your family that you can't commit the unsafe act.
Question that I ask a lot of students in my classes, what's your why? Why are you here? And I think the Kinsleys really captured that with what they built here. For one, why is family, the family culture, the family environment. And I think that's why we're all here, for our families. And so this training comes together to educate, provide, and teach people the value of life. The goal is that you come, you're able to make a living, you're able to provide for your family, but at the same time, you know you're equipped with the tools and the resources and the education that you need to get back home to your family. That's what drives it, that's the why, that's what's important.